what is the difference between a bank and a credit union? Glad you asked. A bank is for its shareholders. That's its goal. It wants to make money for its shareholders. Credit union is it wants to support its members. It's member owned. So it's not in it for the money, it's in it for the members. Now, can you join a credit union? Odds are you have a credit union right near you that you can join. Credit unions have a lot of different rules on who can join, but sometimes it's pretty easy to get into various credit unions. So you just have to go ask, because they probably have something that you'll qualify to become a member of a credit union. Are they both insured? Yes, they are. So your money is safe in either location. Should you go with the bank or should you go with a credit union? That's up to you and what you need. I personally do credit unions because I like knowing the people when I go into the credit union and talk to them, or I need help with something. I know that there's different people in that credit union that I can go talk to and they can help me out. However, you might be in an area where you don't have ready access to a credit union, and a bank might be more beneficial. Now, one thing with credit unions, especially considering they're usually hyper-local, is they do have something available called shared branch checking. And what that means is you can go to any credit union that has the shared branch checking offer and use that credit union as your home credit union. So you can get into your account, you can remove money, you can move money around just like you would at your normal credit union at a different credit union. So if you do a lot of traveling, that's really beneficial.